Most roofing company owners either don't have time, don't know what to say, or they don't really even want to do it. Let's actually use AI to create a blog post step by step together. The same content can actually be repurposed into multiple formats, and this is huge. This means you don't have to create content from scratch every single time. Hey roofing contractors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage AI for content creation so you can create high quality content fast without needing to be a writer or a marketing expert. In this video, we're going to create a blog post together, and then we'll demonstrate the power of repurposing your content to save you both time and money. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I'm John Palmatier, and I've led marketing for startups, billion-dollar Fortune 500 organizations, and a top marketing agency. Now, as the founder and CEO of TrustFactors, I help roofing companies break free from the broken marketing agency model so they can grow faster. By the end of this video, you'll see that AI is an absolute game changer for content creation. Let's get started. First of all, let's be real. Content is critical today. Your Google rankings, your website traffic, your online reputation, it all depends on content. But there's a problem. Most roofing company owners either don't have time, don't know what to say, or they don't really even want to do it. And this is where AI becomes a game changer. AI helps you create content 10 times faster than doing it manually. And I'm not talking about generic robotic content. I'm talking about content that ranks on Google, gets engagement, and drives leads. For example, you can use AI to write blog posts, create engaging Google business profile updates, craft social media posts, write video scripts, and even generate search engine optimized website content. The best part, you don't need to be a great writer or a marketing expert. You just need to know how to design AI prompts correctly. This is called prompt engineering, and we'll get into that in a second. At this point, it's important to clarify what we mean by AI for content creation. AI covers everything from automation to robotics, but here we're focusing on large language models, or LLMs. These are advanced AI systems trained to generate high-quality text in seconds. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper, they use LLMs to help create blogs, social posts, and video scripts fast. There's a lot of AI tools out there, but here are some of the best ones, in my opinion at least, for roofing content. Most of these terms, they have a free version, and if you want advanced features, they also have paid options. Next, let's actually use AI to create a blog post step by step together. Our topic is, how do I know if my roof has storm damage? It's a great topic because homeowners search for it all the time, and it helps position your company as an expert. Our goal is to create an article that's useful, engaging, and search engine optimization friendly, but without spending hours writing it from scratch. Instead of just saying, write a blog about roof damage, use a structured prompt like this to get better content. First, we define the role, telling AI that it is an expert in roofing marketing and SEO. This makes sure that AI writes like a pro and has the right perspective. Next is context. This is where we provide details about our company, our services, and local market so that AI understands what makes us different. The task is where we tell AI exactly what to do, what kind of blog post to write, how long should it be, what sections it should have. Then we have format. This makes sure AI returns the content in the right structure, whether that's a well-formatted blog, a bullet-pointed summary, or a video script. And finally, we have clarification questions. This forces AI to ask for any missing details before it starts writing. This step makes a huge difference in getting content that's actually useful. Now let's take this framework and put it into action. Here's what our actual AI prompt looks like for creating our blog post. We start by telling AI its role. Then we provide context by including details about our company, our location, and unique value proposition. In a prompt like this, It almost always makes sense to have the platform review all the pages of your website for context. In the task, we specify exactly what we want it to do. We make sure that it addresses your target audience and the kind of tone that you want. And your content needs to be optimized for voice search for sure. And then you need to personalize your content. Then we make sure AI understands formatting, so it writes content that's clear, easy to read, and includes a strong call to action. Prompt engineering is the key to getting high quality, relevant AI content, and this is just a high-level example. As you do more and more of these, the length of your prompts will probably increase, but the cool thing is you can reuse them, or at least reuse part of them for future content creation projects. At this point, you simply hit enter and you'll get the blog post, but you're not done yet. In my experience, you're probably 80% there at this point. You just need to review it and optimize and iterate. One of the coolest things is that you can literally have a conversation with the platform that you're using, telling it what you like and what you would like to see improved in the next iteration. I have found that many of these platforms, when you tell them what you want changed, they go and make other changes that you didn't want. So I always direct the platform to lock down the content that I like to preserve it. Another thing to remember as you're developing your content is to remember the concept of content fatigue. Given that virtually all of us have access to AI now to help write content, the result has been a massive wave of generic, bland, and copycat content. And if your message doesn't stand out, it's going to be ignored or dismissed. So remember, be human, be personable. Remember, value over volume. Demonstrate expertise in your content and answer specific questions that your target market has. Be authentic and use videos and visuals as much as you can. Now that you have a full blog post, we don't just leave it on our website. The same content can actually be repurposed into multiple formats, and this is huge. This means you don't have to create content from scratch every single time. You simply take what's already written and then you adjust it for different platforms. Here's a super simple prompt for repurposing the blog content into a Google Business Profile update. Notice how AI took the blog and made it shorter, clearer, and more action-driven. We literally went from a 1,000-word blog to a 30-word, concise, engaging Google Business Profile post. So hopefully creating a piece of content together using AI and then repurposing it has been helpful. Just remember that while AI can help you create content much faster, the quality of the content really depends on the quality of your prompt. And while you want AI to do the heavy lifting, you still need to steer the ship and optimize and personalize the content. And then remember, always repurpose your content. If you'd like help creating more impactful content for your roofing company, please check us out at TrustFactors.ai. And don't forget to please subscribe to the channel for more insights like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.